How to download Minecraft on PS4. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download Minecraft on PS4, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you'd like to download Minecraft on PS4, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch your PlayStation Store. Once you launch your PlayStation Store, at the very top you'll find the search bar. Make sure to click on the search bar over here, and then now simply go ahead and then type in Minecraft as you would be able to find it. As you do that, on the right hand side you'll be able to see the search result. If you're not sure about purchasing the game, here you'll also find the Minecraft demo link instead. So you can just go ahead and either click the Minecraft option here, and now you can go ahead and then hit the download button. Keep in mind that this is not a free game, that's why you have the demo version to test it out. If you'd like to download it, you can add them to your cart, check out using a payment method, and the app will get successfully downloaded and you can begin playing it. This way you'll be able to download Minecraft on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.